the chicken wing goodness at this New York-inspired restaurant. Frankie's New York Buffalo Wings has been a household name for chicken wing lovers because of its wide variety of delicious yet affordable chicken wings. You can choose from 14 different flavors, but their salted egg flavor is definitely a must-try. Each batch is inspected thoroughly before the wings are coated with specially formulated flour that gives an extra crispy and flaky texture. Their deep frying technique uses a unique shaking procedure that allows every chicken wing to cook evenly. The wings are tossed and coated in salted egg powder and are served hot and fresh every order. Try these best-selling wings for yourself and dine al fresco at Frankie's Eastwood Citywalk.